Welcome guys in this session. So in this video lecture we will discuss about some commonly used signals in the DSP, digital signal processing. So what are the some signals that we are commonly used in the digital signal processing or signal and system? So there are the 9 signals. First one is the DC signal, second one is the discrete time DC signal, third one is the unit step signal, fourth one is the signum function, fifth one is the rectangular pulse, fifth one is the delta or unit impulse function, next one is seventh unit ramp signal, eighth one is the exponential signal, and last is the sync function. So all these signal one by one we will discussed in the upcoming videos, and in this video we will discuss only a DC signal, first one. So guys, before starting this video I want to tell you, please subscribe my channel, like the videos, and if you have any query regarding this, please write in the comment section. So let's start the video. So what is the DC signal basically? So what is DC signal? DC signal, we all know DC signal is a direct current signal, or simple a flat signal that have a same amplitude. So a DC signal have the two types. First one is the continuous DC signal, second one is the discrete DC signal. So first one we will discuss the what is a continuous time direct current signal. So as you can see in this figure here, on the x-axis here, and this is the y-axis. So this is the origin point 0, and it has a signal of x of t is a signal and which have amplitude A. So A is the amplitude of this signal, and this amplitude is flat, same. So basically these DC direct current signals, DC signals we are used on the like amplifiers etc. on these type of things. The DC signal is utilized. So on the amplifier, A is the amplitude of this signal, and of the DC signal have the constant and independent of the time. DC signal will always independent of time, and it is a constant flat signal. So we can write this DC signal, that is x of t signal, that is the amplitude of A, and it is between minus infinity to infinity, from here to here, and t is the at t signal, that is independent from time. So let's move to the next. For discrete time, DC signal. So what is the discrete time DC signal? Basically discrete time, the discrete form of this signal, that is the some internal values of this particular signal, means we represents that continuous time signal in the samples. These are the samples, like that. As an example, this is a discrete form of DC signal, and this is the amplitude of that particular DC signal A, and on the different points we have assigned the values 0, 1, 2, 3, and positively as well as negatively. So these are the digital values of DC signal. So we represent this particular signal is with x of n. So this discrete time signal in this figure shows the sample of each amplitude of A, amplitude of the amplitude A amplitude of this flat signal or DC signal, and expanding it from minus infinity to infinity. and there are n number of the values from 0 to infinity and 0 to minus infinity, n number of the values. So mathematically we can represent as x of n, that is equal to, there have the values of different samples. This arrow denotes the origin point, O point. This arrow denotes the origin point, and from the origin have also the amplitude of A of signal, and from origin to minus infinity the negative values that have also same amplitude A, and from origin to the positive value means infinity, that have also the values of positive values with same amplitude A. So this is the discrete time direct current signal in the digital signal processing. So guys, that's all for this video. In the next upcoming videos we will study all this sequence of these signals. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the videos, and if you have any queries please write in the comment section. So thank you guys.